Called Cottage on the Point, the project is a contemporary extension for a lakeside home made of timber and stone located in Lanaudière, a scenic region in central Quebec, Canada. Built atop a stone foundation, the architects added a second level, a screened-in porch, and the black exterior helps to integrate the cabin into its natural environment, a forested site that juts into a lake. The home clad in dark-stained cedar, with a tall, vertical window at the east elevation that helps carry daylight to the home's lower level. The bright interior of the cabin is a strong contrast to the exterior. The entryway shows off a light wood ceiling, while the floor is a black tile with a chevron pattern. Steps connect the entryway to the main social areas of the cabin. Highlighted by a black door and glass walls, is a dedicated wine storage area. Adjacent to the wine wall is a fireplace and small sitting room with angled windows. A set of doors open to a screened-in porch that's furnished with a dining table and a sofa with a matching bench. Illuminated by two skylights, the porch offers another place to enjoy the outdoors in a space bathed in the natural light that reflects on the water. The main living room has a U-shaped sofa that takes advantage of the window views. There's also a second stone fireplace surround. This one, however, separates the living room and the kitchen. A cathedral ceiling with exposed timber beams creates a lofty atmosphere. In the kitchen, matte black cabinets are topped with a light-colored marble countertop and backsplash. Next to the kitchen are stairs with a white metal frame and wood stair treads. The stairwell with a large window leads up to the addition of the home, which holds a master suite and 2 bedrooms. A glass handrail allows the natural light from the windows to travel through the interior. In the upstairs corridor, a portion of the floor is made of translucent glass, which enables light to pass down to the lower level. At the top of the stairs, there's a minimalist door frame that blends into the wall. Down a hallway, there's a view of a suspended black fireplace. This fireplace can be found in the master bedroom, which also enjoys floor-to-ceiling black framed windows and a freestanding bathtub. Ample glazing provides generous views of the surrounding landscape, including tall pines and starry night skies. The only addition to the bottom level was a screened porch, located on the home's south side. Here's a look at the plan.